G'day folks, Benno here, how you going? So I've been making this machine. It's sitting here behind me, I'll show you that in a second. It's virtually going to be a CNC machine. It's a angle grinder on a post that will move up and down, and then there's a compound slide that will move left and right, and that'll be on another slide which will give it a lot of lateral movement. Anyway, I'll show you the bits and pieces. Well, so this is the basic idea. This is a bit of a mock-up. This is my bracket for holding the grinder in. In the proper, when I actually make this properly, this will actually be round about so high, give it more movement. In this section here, right along here, there will be a slide, and that'll be motorised, which will actually, make that, allow that to move up and back like that. So that's virtually it. What I'm going to use for a brain is if you can see that, it's an Arduino. Fantastic little brain. More than enough processing power in that to set up some pretty complex cuts and patterns and what have you. Anyway, that's the plan so far. So Arduino, that stuff, and that's about it. This will probably end up, this frame will probably end up being a carriage or a frame of sorts for my little big welder. Have a great day. Catch you later.